guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 4 skincare products that I'm currently obsessed with. These are 4 products that I have been binge using and I absolutely love them, and that's why I want you guys also to try these products out. Starting off with the first product, this is Nivea Milk Delights face wash in the variant Saffron. Now this is a very gentle face wash and it has that milky creamy texture when you apply it, and once you start massaging it on your face to clean your face, it doesn't really dry out your skin unlike the other face washes. Instead it hydrates your skin a little bit and cleanses your skin so well without leaving it all tight and dry. So that's something that I really like about this face wash. It's so gentle and the consistency is just amazing. It's suitable for all skin types, it's suitable for all seasons of the year, and basically anyone can use this face wash. The second product that I'm currently obsessed with is this L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. Now I have been using this for over a year now. This is my second bottle and my skin absolutely loves this. It's an essence which I use as a toner, and after using this I follow it up with L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. This is the third product on my favorites list, and I recommend this for all skin types including acne prone skin because it's got salicylic acid in there. Now I absolutely love the consistency of this and what it does to my skin. Firstly, it has a gel-like consistency and it is very lightweight, and it's an oil-free formula. This makes it an ideal pick for all skin types, and this can be used during all seasons of the year. Now this contains salicylic acid in there which helps to mildly exfoliate your skin. It also helps to refine your pores and it helps to reduce acne marks. Also, I haven't really heard about many salicylic acid creams out there in the market, so you definitely need to try this one out. Now let me show you how to use this combo. All you need is just 3 to 4 drops of the essence and pat it gently into your skin. Then take a pea-sized amount of L'Oreal Paris Crystal Gel Cream and massage it into your skin. You can see how fast it got absorbed by my skin. It penetrates 10 layers deep into the skin and purifies skin and minimizes pores for crystal clear skin. It's clinically and dermatologically tested. In fact, it's validated and endorsed by renowned dermatologist Dr. Ophelia. And the best part is that this cream is free from parabens, colorants, synthetic dyes, and it is non-comedogenic. I absolutely love the combination of the micro essence and the crystal gel cream and what it does to my skin and how it makes my skin all crystal clear. The crystal gel cream is available in 2 sizes. 15 ml variant retails for Rs 299 and 50 ml variant retails for Rs 699. The links to purchase this cream is mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. And finally, the fourth product that I'm currently obsessed with is this Dermaco 15% AHA and 1% BHA Beginner's Chemical Peeling Solution. Now I know that's a long and complicated name, but trust me, this is the best exfoliator that I've ever used. I have stopped using physical exfoliators ever since I started using these chemical exfoliators. Firstly, physical exfoliators are so harsh on the skin. They literally result in tearing of your skin tissues, but these chemical exfoliators are so gentle and they help in shedding all of the dead skin cells off your face, and it reveals a fresher, newer layer of your skin on top, and at the same time it also helps to fade away acne marks, dark spots, pigmentation, sun tanning, and whatever you have like on your skin. It helps to fade all of that and it results in clearer skin. So I like to use this chemical peel once every single week, and sometimes I also like delay it to once in every 10 days, but I make it a point to exfoliate my skin using this, and I have stopped using physical scrubs ever since I have started using this. So those were the 4 skincare products that I'm currently obsessed with that I just cannot stop using. I highly recommend you check these products out to try them and see the results for yourself. I am definitely sure you're gonna love them too. So yeah, that was my video on 4 skincare products that I'm currently obsessed with. I hope this video was helpful enough for you. If it was, then please hit the like button. Also let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these products and how they work out for you. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.